Health Society Thawang Sinduna District Level Healthy Baby Soap Competition Pangthokre Tawang Tabda Level Siamo Complex Pangmasi Pangthokiba Thorum Aduda Tawangi Deputy Commissioner and Bandana Amadi Chief Medical Officer Dr. L. Jayant Kumar Loinana Child Welfare Officer Dr. KSS Memsa Devina Athoy Mitong Thorum Mapu Amadi Akhanaba Mitong Sing Paina Sergyake Thokna pangthokkiba competition da makok ta masige angang singna dina lakadoriba tang kungani thoida imphal pangthokadaba state level competition da district asigi mahut chilaga saruk yarugani haire